Samsung has announced that its Galaxy Store and Galaxy Themes services will undergo temporary suspension for system maintenance. The interruption is scheduled for August 22, lasting from 2:30 to 5:30 GMT plus 5:30 Mumbai time. While it's uncertain whether the servers will be affected worldwide or only in India, the services are expected to resume within a few hours. During the maintenance period, users of Galaxy devices, including phones, tablets, and the web, will experience limitations in accessing these services. Key restrictions during the maintenance period include the temporary suspension of app and content downloads and updates via Galaxy Store and Galaxy Themes. Emergency and security updates provided by Samsung Galaxy devices will also be put on hold. Direct transitions from other apps to Galaxy Store or Galaxy Themes will be unavailable. Additionally, Galaxy Store access from non-Samsung manufacturers will be blocked, preventing the download and update of related apps or content. Notably, access to and use of Galaxy Store and Galaxy Themes servers will be temporarily halted, even impacting the availability of security patch releases. Consequently, downloading and applying new firmware, especially over-the-air (OTA) updates, will be disabled. Nevertheless, official firmware files can still be downloaded from Samsung's website if needed. Even app developers will be unable to access the store or update their applications during this maintenance period. Although Samsung aims to restore the services after a few hours, the exact end time may vary based on progress. Importantly, this maintenance window exclusively affects the Galaxy App Store, not the broader Galaxy device eShop. Potential buyers of Galaxy devices can still make purchases on August 22. However, they won't be able to fully configure their new devices with the latest app updates until the maintenance work concludes. This separation ensures that prospective buyers can proceed with orders while minimizing inconvenience due to the service disruption. To summarize, Samsung's Galaxy Store and Galaxy Themes services will undergo temporary suspension for maintenance on August 22, lasting from 2:30 to 5:30 GMT plus 5:30 Mumbai time. During this period, users will be unable to download and update apps or content, access security updates, transition directly to these services, or access them through non-Samsung manufacturers. The maintenance will also impact security patch releases and the availability of new firmware downloads. App developers will likewise be unable to update their offerings. The services are expected to be restored after a few hours, with the possibility of the end time changing based on progress. This maintenance will exclusively affect the Galaxy App Store, allowing potential device buyers to continue making purchases on that day. However, setting up new devices with the latest app updates will be delayed until the maintenance concludes.